Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to Trello. So the first thing that you need to do, first of all, I don't have a GIFs or any GIFs. I'm just going to go here and download one. But for you, all you need to do, just go to Trello, of course, .com and okay, so Trello.com and make sure you're logged in into an account if you have an account. And if you don't, go and create a new account. And of course, if you don't have a workspace, go and create one. The same will be for board. If you don't have one, go and create one. Then you can go to whatever board you have if you have many boards, or you can simply just go and create a new board or simply go into an existing board. It's totally up to you. So as example, I'm just going to, yeah, let's just go to this one as example. So here, as example, I'm just going to add a new list. I'm just going to name it tests, add a card, tests as well. And of course, I'm trying to add GIF to this card. So first, I'm just going to install a GIF and come back. So example, I just downloaded this bird GIF here. As example, we want to add it to this card. So I'm just going to click on that card. And as you can see on this list panel, I'll be able to click on attachments, on attachments on this list panel. As you can see, here's it, or right panel. Then click on choose a file. Once you click on choose a file, I'm just going to choose my GIF in here. And as you can see, it's uploading a file, success. And that's how you basically upload or add a GIF basically to Trello. So how to add basically a GIF to Trello. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.